The moon, a celestial dance partner eternally twirling with Earth in the vast cosmic ballroom. This silvery orb has captivated humanity since time immemorial, inspiring countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. Yet, despite its proximity and familiarity, the moon harbors secrets that continue to baffle even the most brilliant minds. Throughout history, various cultures have attributed supernatural powers to the moon. Its waxing and waning cycles were believed to influence tides, crops, and even human behavior. But with the advent of modern science, we began to unravel the true nature of our celestial companion. We learned about its composition, its orbit, and its role in stabilizing Earth's axis. However, some mysteries persist. One of the most intriguing is the hollow moon theory, a controversial idea that suggests our moon might not be what it seems. This theory has been the subject of much debate and speculation, with proponents citing various anomalies as evidence. Is the moon truly a hollow sphere, perhaps an ancient alien spacecraft, or a cosmic anomaly? Or is it, as mainstream science asserts, a solid celestial body formed from the remnants of a cataclysmic collision? Let's delve into the heart of this enigma and explore the evidence on both sides of the lunar divide. The quest to unravel the moon's secrets reached its pinnacle during the space race, a thrilling chapter in human history that saw two superpowers vying for supremacy in space exploration. In 1969, the United States achieved a monumental milestone when Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the lunar surface. Apollo 11's historic mission marked a turning point in our understanding of the moon. Astronauts collected lunar samples, conducted experiments, and captured breathtaking images that provided unprecedented insights into our celestial neighbor. Subsequent Apollo missions further enriched our knowledge, painting a clearer picture of the moon's geological history and composition. These missions confirmed that the moon is a desolate world, devoid of atmosphere and liquid water. Its surface is a tapestry of impact craters, vast plains of volcanic basalt, and towering mountains. The lunar samples brought back to Earth revealed a wealth of information about the moon's formation and evolution. However, even with the treasure trove of data gathered during the Apollo era, some questions remained unanswered. The hollow moon theory, once relegated to the fringes of science fiction, found renewed interest as some researchers pointed to certain anomalies observed during the Apollo missions as potential evidence. The hollow moon theory, though seemingly outlandish, has roots in both science fiction and scientific speculation. Early writers, captivated by the moon's mysteries, incorporated the idea of a hollow moon into their stories, envisioning subterranean civilizations or hidden alien bases. One of the earliest scientific proponents of a hollow moon was Edmund Halley, the famed astronomer who predicted the return of Halley's Comet. In 1692, Halley proposed that the Earth might be composed of multiple concentric spheres, with a luminous atmosphere separating each shell. He suggested that the moon might possess a similar structure. In the 20th century, the hollow moon theory gained traction among some researchers who pointed to the moon's unexpectedly low density as evidence. Compared to Earth, the moon is significantly less dense, suggesting that its interior might not be entirely solid. The Apollo missions provided further fodder for speculation. During some lunar landings, seismometers recorded vibrations that seemed to echo for extended periods, leading some to conclude that the moon's interior might be hollow, allowing the vibrations to reverberate like a bell. Proponents of the hollow moon theory cite several pieces of evidence to support their claims. One of the most compelling arguments revolves around the moon's density. As mentioned earlier, the moon is considerably less dense than Earth. This density discrepancy has led some to speculate that the moon's interior must be mostly hollow to account for its relatively low mass. Another piece of evidence often cited is the moon's unusual ringing sound, which was first observed during the Apollo missions. When the lunar module's ascent stage crashed into the moon's surface, seismometers recorded vibrations that persisted for an unusually long time. This ringing effect, some argue, is consistent with the behavior of a hollow sphere. Additionally, proponents point to the existence of mascons, which are areas of high gravitational pull on the moon's surface. These mascons, they argue, could be remnants of artificial structures buried beneath the lunar surface, further suggesting a hollow interior. While these pieces of evidence might seem compelling at first glance, they have been challenged by mainstream science, which offers alternative explanations for these lunar anomalies. Section 5, Debunking the Myth, the Case for a Solid Moon. The scientific consensus firmly rejects the hollow moon theory, asserting that the moon is a solid celestial body that formed through natural processes. Mainstream science provides compelling counter-arguments to debunk the evidence presented by hollow moon proponents. Regarding the moon's density, scientists explain that the difference in density between Earth and the moon can be attributed to their distinct compositions. Earth's core is composed primarily of iron and nickel, which are dense elements. The moon, on the other hand, has a much smaller core and is composed mostly of lighter elements like silicon and oxygen. The ringing effect observed during the Apollo missions has also been explained through conventional means. Scientists argue that the moon's dry and fractured crust, combined with the lack of atmosphere to dampen vibrations, could have caused the seismic waves to reverberate for extended periods, creating the illusion of a hollow interior. As for the mascons, mainstream science attributes their formation to the impact of large asteroids or comets early in the moon's history. These impacts would have created dense concentrations of material beneath the surface, resulting in the observed gravitational anomalies. Section 6. The verdict: a mystery still unsolved. The hollow moon theory, despite its intriguing premise, lacks the robust scientific evidence required for widespread acceptance. While proponents continue to raise valid questions about lunar anomalies, mainstream science offers plausible explanations that align with our current understanding of planetary formation and celestial mechanics. The moon's mysteries, however, are far from solved. While the hollow moon theory may not hold water, there are still many unanswered questions about our celestial companion's origin, composition, and evolution. Future lunar missions, equipped with advanced technology and driven by a thirst for knowledge, may shed further light on these enduring enigmas. Section 7. The future of lunar exploration. What lies ahead? With renewed interest in space exploration, several nations and private companies are gearing up for a new era of lunar exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the moon, including a lunar base and orbiting space station. These ambitious missions promise to revolutionize our understanding of the moon. Advanced rovers and landers will explore the lunar surface in unprecedented detail, collecting valuable data and searching for resources that could support future human settlements. The mysteries surrounding the moon's polar regions, which are believed to contain water ice in permanently shadowed craters, will be a key focus of future explorations. This water ice could be a vital resource for future lunar inhabitants, providing drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Section 8. Conclusion. The hollow moon theory, though ultimately unsubstantiated by scientific evidence, serves as a testament to human curiosity and our insatiable desire to unravel the universe's mysteries. While the moon may not be a hollow sphere harboring secret civilizations, it remains a source of endless wonder and scientific inquiry. As we venture back to the moon in the coming years, we can expect to uncover even more secrets about our celestial neighbor. The future of lunar exploration promises to be a thrilling journey of discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and inspiring generations to come. Section 9. Bibliography. The Moon by Seymour Simon. Apollo 11, The Inside Story by David Whitehouse. The Case for Mars by Robert Zubrin. Cosmos by Carl Sagan. NASA website, https://www.nasa.gov/